There are some speakers that we recommend here at Tap AV because they make sense. Now, this sense can be in terms of the price, it can be in terms of the space, it can be in terms of the application. But then there are some speakers which cannot escape our head, and even after the conversation is over, you still keep talking about it or start looking for it. Now, these speakers are not perfect, they are not designed for everyone, but they are like different use cases, different brand, different personalities, and can please anyone in different price point. Now, in my today's video, I am going to share with you 5 such speakers that I am currently obsessed with. And I definitely feel that if you're a true audio enthusiast, you should at least know about these speakers. So let's try to understand which these 5 speakers are. Let's start with the first speaker, which is actually one of the newest launches of 2026, especially in India. Now, the speaker I'm talking about is the Dali Sonik. Now, Sonik is a newly launched series by Dali, which stands for Danish Audiophile Loudspeaker Industries. As the name suggests, they have been really making speakers which are craved by audiophiles. Right from the Zensor series, which was one of the biggest hit in the old days, then came the Oberon series, which did equally well, especially the likes of Oberon 5, which brought a small form factor, or even the big giants like the Oberon 9s, which kind of shook up even their premium categories of Opticons. But now they have got a new series called the Sonic series. Now, Sonic stands true to its name. Why? Because they use the same technology used in the premium models, like the SMC magnet system or even the clarity cone design. Due to this, the Sonic has already started creating a buzz and has got higher expectations from the value driven mid premium segment. Now, for this segment who are also looking for good colors, Dali Sonic will not disappoint. And after all, we all know Dali makes some of the best speakers which can sound open, sound spacious, and easiest to live with. The next speakers that I am currently obsessed with is the Paradigm Founder series. Now, these are the speakers which will never get some mainstream hi-fi attention. But those who are serious audiophiles or home cinema enthusiasts and who have auditioned these speakers definitely know what these speakers are capable of. Now, these speakers have been made with some precise measurement. Now, the measurement is not just about the cabinet, but even what goes inside. So, right from the speaker material drivers to the cones, as well as to the waveguide and to the directivity, they have taken into account each and everything. Even the cabinet, by the look of it, has got a little nice triangular kind of structure, which makes it very, very appealing. Now, why am I suddenly so obsessed with the Paradigm Founder series? Well, it all started with a phone call, and this phone call was with a gentleman who had already auditioned the Paradigm Founder series and was still asking me that is there something better that we can look at. And while browsing through different products or the Founder series itself, I came across a very, very interesting zone that this Paradigm speaker was sitting in. And this zone is where 3 main factors meet in. The first one is the price, the second one is the engineering, and the third one is the emotion. Now, it is a very, very rare combination to see in any hi-fi speakers to have all of these 3 things come together. And that is where the Paradigm struck me, and it's still something that I'm obsessed with. So if you're looking for a good stereo setup or for a premium front soundstage, then Paradigm Founder series is something that you should start looking at. Now, the third one is a very, very easy obsession, and I'm sure that after watching this, even you will have one. It is towards a speaker called Fyne Audio Vintage Classic 8. Now, there are very, very few speakers that genuinely look vintage. There are some speakers that I know who try to do a fake costume around it and they try to be premium or vintage. But the Fyne Audio Classic series is one of the most designated series for a vintage lineup because it has got cabinetry built around it. It has got the entire design language built around a traditional vintage vibe. Now, it comes from their history of working with Tannoy, but Fyne Audio themselves have come over a very, very long road. They have cracked the game of isoflare technology, which is more like a coaxial technology which makes you listen to the speakers for hours and hours without having any ear fatigue, and the speaker is very well rounded. The bass is good enough from the speakers of all this classic series, but the Classic 8 is a particular speaker that has brought my attention to because it fits into a price range which is not very, very premium like the other competitors, and it has definitely got a juice to cater to a big room or even a small drawing room. I've literally seen spaces designed around these speakers. That's the beauty of these speakers. So if you're looking for a nice pair of speakers that have got a perfect vintage retro vibe, with nice grills, with those buttons, and with the wooden premium cabinetry that takes you back into the old school, then please consider the Fyne Audio Classic 8. The Classic 8 is not meant for minimalist, it is meant for pure audiophiles who want the audio to have its own personality. So if that is you, start looking out for the Fyne Audio Classic 8 speaker. The next is the focal Aria Evo X series. Now I know this series has been there for a very long time. We have personally did so many installations with it, and it still stays to be one of the speakers that I'm literally obsessed with. I've got them in our own demo room as well, and the moss green color is my personal favorite. Now the reason why focals I'm obsessed with is that it has never failed me. It is one of the very few speaker brands which has got a fantastic range of speakers in multiple categories: satellites, in walls, on walls, everything. And the towers too will not leave you disappointed. If you're looking for clarity, if you're looking for nice articulation, if you're looking for punch, then everything has been packaged well in the focal Aria series. So apart from the look of the cabinet or the speakers, they are still a great product to have, which can fulfill a 2-channel stereo desire or a great premium dynamic home theater soundstage as well. Now focal Aria Evo X comes with its own flex cone, which is a traditional French invention. Now this is something which not every brand could deliver, but focal still stays strong, and that is where the Aria Evo X series becomes so special, because it carries that old lineage or the old philosophy. Now apart from that, if you really want to test the focal speakers and why we are so obsessed with it, you need to walk down to our experience center here in Pune and experience one. If not, try to check out the experience centers that they have in Delhi, Mumbai or Bangalore as well. The next and the last speaker series that I am obsessed with currently is the Monitor Audio Bronze 7G. Now this is a different obsession. It is not an obsession which is due to a premiumness of the speakers. It is more due to the change in the speakers that we have seen over the ages, and why this change has again added value in the Monitor Audio's kitty. Now in the past we have seen that the Bronze 6G did wonders. The Bronze 500 was one of our hottest selling speakers on the floor. But the Bronze 7G came up with an equal more confidence. It comes with a more clutter-free design. It has got a more better waveguide technology. It has got a more better work done even at the crossover levels. So that is why the Bronze 7G has got more appreciation today than what the earlier generation has. Now this is where you start building brand loyalists, because the brand starts seeing, or the user starts seeing, that the brands have got good quality delivered at a cheaper price point. And that is what builds more confidence in buying their silver series, gold series or even the platinum series of the speakers. Now the Monitor Audio Bronze 7G, we have tried and tested with multiple applications. We have done installations for stereos, we have done installations for home cinema, and that speaker series has never failed to disappoint anybody. And it comes with height channel speakers, on-wall speakers, center channel, the towers, bookshelves, everything. So they do not leave you hanging with only 1 or 2 products. Now this is the best part about the Bronze 7G, and that is why I am currently obsessed with this particular package as well. Well, if you have also got a speaker obsession, then please feel free to share those names or those brands in the comments below. And to those of you who want to use these products in their home theater spaces or hi-fi stereos but don't know how to go about it, please feel free to get in touch with our team here at TapAV using the link that is shared in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And for more such videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theater wali bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.